Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where my camera is broken. There we go. And it is no longer broken, hopefully. It broke like instantly. Everything. Oh, you want water? This is gonna be a first person. Water. There we go. Now we just wait. Oh, yep. Go. There's water. A hot dog and a water. Ooh, a little spicy. A hot dog and a water. So what I'll do is put a dog on the campfire. I grab a cup and put underneath here. I have $525. I don't upgrade anything right now or buy anything. I'm good. Get hot dog. And give me the hot dog and water. Another hot dog and a water. Oh, people love their hot dogs and water. Okay. Oh, everything's ready. I just walk over it, or do I just tap it? I think I just walk over it. Okay, or do I tap it? I tap it. Okay. Take your hot dog and water. Take it. Your hot dog and your water. Take it. There we go. You just want a hot dog? Right, just a moment, miss. Hot dog. No, I'm gonna upgrade the simple fire. Hopefully I didn't just delete my hot dog. It did, upgrade. Take your stupid water. Water? You wanted a hot dog? Water? Oh, you really like my stuff. Go explore. Thank you. Give me my water. There we go. The water, hold on. Oh wait, that's, no. actually does this water. Good thing I had a cup on me. Can you buy a bigger store? Probably with the big money signs. I know the water's ready. Guess that's not complete yet. I'm just looking around. How do you buy a bigger building? Oh, got it. There you go. Ow! I wanted a water. Come on. Water. I'll take your water. I'm gonna upgrade the hose pipe. Nice. Oh, if you want some water, you came to the right place. Definitely need some. Oh wait, that's cheaper. I'll just buy those. I decided to upgrade my building. I need $400 Reno. I need to cash register water. Good. I'll get it. Want the hot dog? Want the hot dog? Here's a filthy hot dog. I'm gonna starve especially for you. Suck it! I just poisoned the customer. Screw you. Ah, nah, nah, nah. No dog. No. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, here's your hot dog. Take your hot dog. Dog. Here, I just put a wiener dog. Oh, I almost forgot. You want the hot dog, mama? I just gave a hot dog. I gave a hot dog to a person, now he's gone. He left after I gave him a hot dog. But I almost forgot. I'm almost good enough to get a building. Come on. Oh, hot dog. Oh, another hot dog lover. People really love hot dogs. Before I forget, I can upgrade my building and hopefully get more stuff that will cost more money. Oh, upgrade. Oh my goodness. A hot dog and a water. Seriously? Wait, what can I upgrade? Oh. I don't have enough for any of that, so. There we go. Another hot dog. So honestly, this game's fun. You should check it out. I know I'm not saying much because I'm just figuring things out, but hey, how you doing? I'm open. Open. Oh. Spell it. I'm O-P-E-N. I'm open. Almost forgot. Hot dog and the water. That's the most profitable thing I've seen all day. Check this game out. I totally suggest it. There's one viewer out there who likes it. Or actually watches my videos. Check it out. Check this game out. It's fun. I forgot. Hot dog, water, go. Much to upgrade something. Let's see. I need a grill first in order to do hamburger. Hot dog and water. These are very profitable. You know what they say? Upgrades, people. Upgrades. Get under the water. There we go. I just wondering, where did the mustard and bun come from? Magic griddle, magic griddle, magic griddle, magic griddle. Oh, I almost forgot. I win. A hot dog. My hands are so cold. Why don't I? I almost forgot. Suck it, bitch. There we go. And then I'm gonna upgrade the griddle. Hey! What? Oh. Why not try a new menu item? A burger! A burger. Burger. How much for the next? Oh my jumping jello beans, it doesn't even show up until you upgrade everything else. Oh ho ho, oh ho ho, ho ho ho, I forgot. How much is this? What's the floating board? Now the most profitable thing I have is a hot dog, water, and a burger. Burger. Get your stupid hot dog! I did not see that. A burger and a hot dog. Yeah. Mama, I just made a hot dog and a burger at the same time. What the flip happened to my roof? I am the roof goblin. I am the roof goblin. I am inside your house right now. I am living inside your room. Take your hot dog and burger, loving. I love you. Thanks for the money. What are people with hot dogs? What is their obsession with hot dogs? Seriously. Like, calm down. By the way, I can unlock fries. Register, register. I love you and I hate you. Don't let me register. I know. I am trying. Turtle water burger. Oh. No. It would, the most expensive would be hot dog, burger, fries. I just want a hot dog because you're stupid. I wanna get me upgrade the stove first. Okay. That's 200. Well, before this gets too long, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!